Good morning, students. Today we will complete our remaining chapter with positive thought, that is, strong when you are weak, brave when you are scared, humble when you are victorious. So, with full of positive vibes, we will open chapter 5, that is environmental pollution. Now, students, in previous video I taught you about the different types of pollution like air pollution, noise pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and etc. So, today we will start our chapter from water pollution, that is on page number 36. Open your book, everyone. Water pollution. Now, student, what is water pollution? When harmful and poisonous substances are dumped or released into the water bodies, it is called water pollution. There are various reasons due to which water pollution is caused. First, sewage and wastewater. We need water for doing nearly all our daily work like cooking, bathing, washing clothes. The water which remains after doing such work is dirty and impure. Impure means dirty. This waste and impure water is known as sewage. In underdeveloped countries, this waste is directly dumped into river and oceans. So this water pollute the river water and cause harm to fish and other living organisms living in it as well as their habitat. So student, living organism, it means living creatures. Those live in water, because this time we all study about the water pollution. Okay, now then first point is sewage and wastewater. Second is oil spills and marine dumping. So student, first of all I will explain word oil spills. What it means? Student, oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, especially in the marine, due to human activities and is form of pollution. What is oil spill? Oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, especially in the marine, due to human activity and is form of pollution. Got it? The waste or rubbish which accumulates every day is used. Where does it go? Such waste includes paper waste, plastic waste, chemical waste, etc. They should be treated and recalled and recycled before dumping. However, it is not doing and they are directly disposed into the sea and ocean. So often ships carrying used tank of oil sink means डूबना in the ocean. So often ships carrying used tank of oil sink in the ocean. कभी कभी oceans में ऑयल के जो टैंक होते हैं वो डूब जाते हैं. The oil goes into the ocean water causing harm to the marine ecosystem. So it is harmful to the marine ecosystem. Now then, industrial waste. Waste from factories is dumped into rivers and seas all over the world. Industrial waste contain poisonous chemical which cause harm to the fish and other organisms living in the water bodies. Student, this time we all study about the water pollution. Now then, noise pollution. What is a noise pollution? Noise pollution, whenever we hear very loud noise, it causes irritation in our ears. Noise pollution occurs when sound made or produced by humans cross the level of comfort for all living beings. Noise is produced from various sources such as the horn of vehicles, microphones, music system, etc. Student, noise pollution. Noise pollution, when we hear very loud noise, it causes irritation in our ears. Noise pollution occur. Okay, now vehicles. The cities are full of cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles. So student, this time we are studying about noise pollution. What is noise pollution? Noise pollution, whenever we hear very loud noise, it causes irritation in our ears, noise pollution occur. We are on page number 37 here. Is a producer of noise pollution, it's vehicle. Vehicles, the cities are full of cars, buses, trucks, motorcycles, etc. The sound produced when they blow their horns causes irritation to our ears. The maximum level of sound that vehicles can produce should be strictly monitored, and also people should follow these limits. The sound produced when they blow their horns cause irritation to our vehicles. Then firecrackers. During festivals, the excessive burning of firecrackers causes air and sound pollution. Firecrackers producing too much sound should be banned. Then loud music and microphones. Too much use of microphones is another reason of noise pollution. This time we all study about the reason of noise pollution. So first is vehicles sound, and second firecracker sound, and third loud music and microphones. The level of sound produced should always be kept in check. Any sound that is above 65 decibels is harmful for our ears. So student, I will describe it what is the 65 decibel means. Doctor describe it in few categories, decibel levels and sources. So first category is 50 to 65 dB. dB means decibels. Okay. Then its sources is normal conversation. जब हम नॉर्मल कन्वर्सेशन करते हैं तो हमारा जो साउंड होता है वो 50 टू 65 डिसिबल्स होता है. देन सेकंड कैटेगरी 60 टू 65 dB. इट मीन्स लाफ्टर. जब हम लाफिंग करते हैं तो हमारा जो साउंड होता है ईयर्स में वो 60 टू 65 डिसिबल्स होता है. देन 65 टू 70 dB. Its source is vacuum cleaner, hair dryer materials, and so many things. So any sound that is above 65 decibels is harmful for our ears. Noise pollution causes health disorders such as loss of hearing, irritation, loss of sleep, stress, etc. So student, aware for this, these are very harmful for our health. Now then, land pollution. Student, land pollution is connected to the soil because soil is on first layer of land. Soil is very important because a variety of plants and crops which grow on land are completely dependent on it. Harmful substances when disposed in the soil cause soil pollution. It hampers the growth of plants and also other animals. So, non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste like plastic, glass, batteries, metals, etc. And it means they don't break down easily if not disposed of properly. It is non-biodegradable waste. Waste that cannot be broken down by the bacteria present in the soil is known as non-biodegradable waste. So, biodegradable waste that cannot be broken down by bacteria present in the soil. Plastic is one such item. Plastic waste cause huge damage to soil. The organism means creature living in soil do not get the oxygen they need to breathe due to the deposition of plastic. Because plastic don't break down easily if not disposed of properly. That's why the organism living in soil do not get the oxygen properly. Okay. Other non-biodegradable waste are metal scraps, glass, remains, bottles, aluminium, cans, etc. Student, soil pollution. First point is here, non-biodegradable waste. Then second, chemical waste. So student, chemical waste is any solid, liquid or gaseous waste materials that if improperly managed or disposed of may put substances hazard of human health and environment. It is chemical waste. Chemical waste, farmers use pesticides to save. Move on next page. Chemical waste, that is on page number 37. Chemical waste, farmers use pesticides to save crops from पेस्ट एंड अदर इंसेक्ट्स. दूसरे जानवरों से, जीवाणु से बचाने के लिए पेस्टिसाइड करते हैं, दवाई छिड़कते हैं फार्मर्स. दे आल्सो यूज फर्टिलाइजर फॉर बेटर यील्ड. फर्टिलाइजर भी यूज़ करते हैं प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए, अच्छी फसल के लिए. हाउ एवर द यूज ऑफ केमिकल्स हैम्पर्स द क्वालिटी ऑफ सॉइल एंड आल्सो इफेक्टेड द ऑर्गेनिज्म लिविंग इन इट. लेकिन इस केमिकल से क्या होता है, जो ऑर्गेनिज्म, जो जीव उसमें रहते हैं सॉइल में, पेड़ पर, वो क्या कहते हैं, इफेक्टेड होते हैं इससे. Industries also dump waste into the soil because of the rise in the number of factories. इसके अलावा जो इंडस्ट्रीज हैं, जो कारखाने हैं, वो अपने वेस्ट को क्या करते हैं, डंप कर देते हैं सॉइल में. इससे क्या होता है, सॉइल में रहने वाले जो लिविंग क्रिएचर्स होते हैं वो हार्मफुल होते हैं, उनको नुकसान पहुंचता है. ओके, सो affect the organism living in it. Soil pollution or contamination. Contamination means to make something impure. Also cause health disorders like improper development of the brain in children and kidney damage in adults. It also affect the food chain because crops and other vegetables are grown in the soil only. So student, soil pollution or contamination to make something impure also cause health disorder like improper development of the brain in children and kidney damage in adult. It also affect the food chain because crops and other vegetables are grown in the soil only. So student, in this chapter we are studied about the pollution, types of pollution, why it is very harmful for us as well as living creatures. Okay student, so carbon monoxide is a harmful gas which causes air pollution. Okay student, thank you so much.